Hi Libra, welcome to my channel. This is your daily reading for September 7th. This is for Libra, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, and North Node. So, I'm getting your partner is holding back from you, Libra, but just know they are still holding on to you. They feel you are not taking any action towards them. You guys could be going through some issues right now. I'm seeing arguments here, ego clashes, fights, jealousy, a lot of drama, but they feel like you are taking your time, you are waiting. Your partner also feels you are very patient. They are very passionate towards you, Libra. They have love for you and they feel you love them a lot. They see you as their lover. There is a lot of love between you guys. There is a lot of passion. They also find you very sexy, Libra. That's what I'm getting here. But there is a lot of drama and they feel like even if you have a lot of love for them, still you are just waiting for them. You are not taking any action towards them. When it comes to you, they have very conflicting emotions because they want to reach out to you, Libra. They want you, they love you, but they are still holding back. And I feel they are just protecting their heart. They are still holding on to you. They are not letting you go, Libra, but they are not taking any action towards you. They are just watching you from a distance. Someone could be blocked here for some of you, or could be for others of you. I'm getting like communication could be blocked here, or there is very little communication, like you are not talking as you guys used to. There is not a heart to heart conversation because your partner is feeling like you are having some conflict when it comes to your connection with your partner. However, there is a connection. For some of you, I'm getting this person could be your soulmate or even a twin flame if you believe. But I'm also getting Libra that connection is strong between you guys and this is the real love. You both love each other. When it comes to their feelings, they are feeling very disinterested. For some of you, I'm getting your person is even feeling rejected by you, Libra. They want to have a balance. If you were not their priority in the past, if they took you for granted, or if they were always busy in other stuff and you used to beg for their attention, you used to wait for them, they know that stuff, they are aware of that, what they have done to you, and now I'm getting they are regretting it. If this is a temporary separation, Libra, I'm also getting like they did not want to let you go. But now they want to meet you, they want to reach out to you, they want to have a union with you, they want to have that stability with you. They have a lot of passion for you, Libra, but I'm getting they are struggling to reach out to you. They do want to reach out to you, they do want to talk to you, but they are very restless over you. They feel they are stuck, they cannot take any action towards you. Their hands are tired. They don't know how to make a first move. Could be dealing with someone who never puts much effort in this connection, who always expect you to fix the situation, but this time they know even if you have love for them, but you are thinking about it whether to be in this connection or to move on. This could not resonate for all of you, but I'm really getting this intuitive message here that someone here knows like they love their partner, but now it's time to step back and look at the situation from a higher perspective, like what I am doing and what the other person is giving me. Even though there is a lot of love, even though I know they love me, but is this connection healthy for me? Is this giving me that emotional fulfillment? They know, Libra, like you are going through this. They're struggling to reach out to you because a part of them knows like they have ruined this connection. And now your patience ran out for some of you, I'm getting. Yet you are still there waiting for them, and not exactly waiting, but I'm getting you are doing your thing. You are just being patient, like to know how they are going to handle the situation this time. But however, in the outcome, I do see you guys together. This could be your friend as well, like for someone who you are not actually dating or in a relationship, but like for some of you. For others of you, I'm getting yes, you could be in a commitment with this person. You could, there is a connection, mutual connection, there is a lot of love, and I do see you guys together. For some of you, there is also a chance that your person will ask you out, you guys will go out, you guys will go on a date for some of you, but I do see you guys together. I do see communication here, celebration for some of you, but things are going to be your way, Libra. And I feel you have your sword up right now. You are manifesting this connection, even if this person is going to make a first move this time. Yes, you will be amazed, but I feel someone here is manifesting this. And this is Libra for most of you. This is not your person. Could be for some of you, as this is a general read, but I'm getting like Libra, things are going to go your way because this is you. You are in your power, and you have that power to manifest now because you have a clear mind. And above that, I feel you have that acceptance that yes, I do love this person a lot, but are they doing right to me? Do I deserve this? Like, you are looking at the situation, you have a clear mind, you know what's going on here, and this is the reason you are attracting this person, because you are in your power, Libra. Whatever it is, what you want, you will get. This is the intuitive message I'm getting here. This could be for some of you. However, show the world the real you. Okay, so what I'm getting from here is this person feels you are in your vibe. You are hard to budge now, Libra. You are very confident. You know what you want, and you have your shit together. This is the message I'm getting here. And Libra, this is the time to show them, like, yes, this is me. Because I'm getting, you could be dealing with someone, you always admire this person. This is because of love. You never showed your ego or whatever it is. You always make the first move in this connection, but now Libra want their partner to step up, to make the first move, to put effort in this connection. If you want me, you can get me, but you have to come towards me this time. I'm not going to make the first move this time. This is the message I'm getting here, and this is not your ego, Libra. I'm not getting that vibe here. For some of you, this could be a self-esteem. For others of you, I'm getting, you know you love this person a lot and you deserve love too. Whatever it is, a personal issue reaches resolution. This is going to be fine, Libra. Things are going to be fine. Three of Cups with this card. There will be a union. There will be a union, Libra. But whatever it is, I am also getting, especially if you are a feminine watching this, Libra, you are the one who was always giving in this connection. And I feel you need to heal that, you need to fix that thing. You need to be less emotionally dependent on your partner, even if you love them a lot. Just learn to stop when you have to. Don't keep giving to someone who don't appreciate you, who don't appreciate your energy, who don't appreciate your patience, your love. Whatever it is, I have a card of the silence. Be still, for all the answers lie in the silence. Don't try to fix things with this person this time, Libra. This is not because of your ego or pride, but let them come towards you, because I do see it here, like they are going to come towards you. Things are going to be fine. They will realize what they were doing to you, and this time just be with yourself, Libra. Be in your power. Things are going to be fine. Don't chase this person, at least for this time, and just let them come towards you. I'm not saying show them attitude when they are going to fix things with you, no, but let them realize what they are doing to you. So when it comes to the messages from your partner, I have a lot of fire for you. Indeed, they have a lot of passion for you, Libra. A part of me still believes that we will end up together. Yes, I do see you guys together. I know what I want now, and I want you. Okay, so if for some of you, I'm also getting like if your partner was having options, or if they were confused, or if this was a third party situation. Third party could be anything, like your person could be like they were having addictions, or alcoholic, I'm getting here, could be they were very addicted to their work, very self-centered person. Whatever it is, you are going to be their priority. They are going to know, Libra, like how much they love you, because I do see it here that they love you, they want you, and they are struggling to reach out to you, but however they are going to reach out to you, and I do see union here, Libra. Things are going to be fine, you will get justice. Okay, so this was your reading. I really hope it helped, Libra. Thank you so much for watching, and if it resonated with you, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye bye and take care.